How to clean your copper items. There are many things made of copper like utensils, jewelry, and even you'll get showpieces made of copper. So the thing is, in time copper gets tarnished. It gets a little dull, it gets a little light blackish grayish layer on it. And how can you clean your item which contains the grey black layer on it? I'm going to help you with this. So this is my copper item that I have. For the first stack, I'll take vinegar, pour it on my copper item, and you'll not see any change till I start adding salt. So I've added salt over here. You can even do this with lemon and salt, and see slowly it's changing the color, which means it's removing that grey black layer. Just keep on spreading this with your finger all over the place where you need it to be cleaned in this way, and your item is clean. There, can you see the difference in color? Now for the next stack, you'll need to take tamarind. You get tamarind in Indian stores very easily, so you'll have to add water to this and let it melt, and this melted portion you will add it on your copper item in this way, and just using your finger, or if you have any brush or sponge, you can use that to scrub it over your copper items. And slowly you will start noticing that the color has changed. Can you see it's already changed completely? I'll do it on the other side as well. Can you see how well the cleaning has happened on copper? Except for the permanent black mark, the full item is clean. It is as good as new when we got it the first time. Weren't the hacks simple, easy to use? You don't need to have some high funda technique to clean these things. Just certain things available in your house can be made use of for cleaning your copper items. Do let me know in the comment section if you like this hack or not. For those of you all who are visiting here for the first time or have come here before and have forgotten to click on the subscribe button, I request you all to kindly click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon besides it, so that each and every time I post a new video, you all will get updates. Friends, if you all have any suggestions or requests, please feel free to get in touch with us on our social media sites. So that's all on today's episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.